Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 best OneDrive alternatives for cloud storage. All right, let's begin. First, Google Drive is a popular choice that offers seamless integration with Gmail and Google Workspace. It provides reliable storage, easy file sharing, and collaborative editing on documents, spreadsheets, and slides. Second, Dropbox is known for its simple interface and strong synchronization features. It allows you to back up files, share links easily, and collaborate with team members using Dropbox Paper. Third, pCloud offers secure cloud storage with client-side encryption. It allows you to store files safely, share them with others, and even extend storage through referrals. Fourth, Mega focuses on privacy with end-to-end encryption and generous free storage options. It supports file sharing, secure collaboration, and cross-platform access. Fifth, Box is designed for business and enterprise use. It provides strong security, workflow automation, and collaboration tools for teams of all sizes. So that's basically all about the 5 best OneDrive alternatives for cloud storage. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.